Вся наша команда Олимпиада прошла успешно. Все наши члены сборной получили медаль. Во второй день мы показали хороший результат. Получили 2 золота, 2 серебра и 4 бронзы.
Я очень рад, что мои усилия привели к успеху. Я рад, что сегодня смог посоревноваться с такими талантливыми ребятами.
келіп жатқан жас балалардың көбі келешекте болашақта үлкен компания ашу мүмкін.
Өте керемет, өте жоғарғы, өте әлемдік деңгейде болып жатыр.
Мынандай атмосферада енді көңіліміз марқайып отыр. Мынандай керемет шара, енді сөз жоқ.
Very happy.
My name is Ming. I'm from Vietnam.
Botswana,
Myanmar,
Malaysia, Spain,
Madagascar.
Also so energetic.
Because today is a pretty cool day. I was very scared. Сегодня я нашла очень много друзей.
So many people are walking around here, playing some games, winning prizes, and everyone is happy.
And we have the opportunity to win different gifts, play games, have activities. Some of them are very intellectual.
I like about the concert where we get to dance. We get to vibe around. It was very fun. We also get to try the traditional foods, which is very delicious, and I really enjoy this.
When we were at the mall, we saw Kaspi everywhere.
I'm actually so surprised that one app can do so many stuff.
Honestly, yeah, it's a really cool service. I really wish there was a service similar in my country